In the name of Allah, hello YouTube friends, welcome to another MATLAB video. In this video I'm going to show you this simple function that gives you the words value or words numbers. A is the first alphabet, so we assume 1 for A, 2 for B, and 3 for C, and so on. For example, my name, Amir, is like this: 1, 13, 9, 18. If we add them up, we get 41. Okay, let's see how it works. First of all, I wrote this function this way, the beginning of this function this way, so I can call it from another function. Then we deduce our variables. S is size x, I mean the number of alphabets or letters, that is 4 here. We use A, B, J, and D letters, so I introduce them as empty or 0. In this loop, for I equals to 1 to S, I at first is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, because S is size Amir, that is 4 characters. Then we have alphabets A, B, C to Z, and uppercase alphabets A to Z as well. Here D equals to find str xi in alp, and I at first is 1, so find str finds x1, that is actually A. Here it finds xi, x1, or A. Here A is the first letter in 26 letters, so the answer for D is actually 1, and then 1 will be stored here in this matrix. Then we have the same process for uppercase, and then we have abjad that equals to sum abj items. They are actually these items. Then we have fprintf that shows string value for x, string value for equal sign, and integer value for abjad. As we can see here, Amir is a string, equal sign is string, and 41 is a number. You can see here it's an integer value. And we have z as our output variable or argument. And let's see some examples. I want to add a breakpoint here to see some details. D equals to 1. So you can pause the video and check the details here, the changing of variables. You see, in every iteration in this loop, a new number will be added here. And then abjad equals to sum abj items, the summation of these numbers. It can be interesting to find all English words with the same value, so let's see what I did. I downloaded all English words and copied them in a text file and copied it here, and I'm gonna can see it here like this. And I'm gonna import them into the variable y. So with this command import data, you can do that. And I defined list as a cell variable to store the words we want. And count equals to 1. We use this counter here. And then for I equals to 1 to 466,000, that is the number of English words existing in the text document. And then x equals to char y I. We use char command to convert every word into character data, because x gonna be used here as input argument for abjad function, because abjad function accepts only character. So if abjad x equals to 100, then list the count. At first count is 1. The first row of list equals to celestial x. Celestial converts every input argument into cell argument, so cell variable. So it can be stored in the list because list is a cell. Then count equals to count plus 1. And in the next time, if abjad x equals to 100, in the next row, actually, in the next time is 2. Count is 2. So in the second row of list, the next word will be stored. Okay, let's run this. It takes a few seconds. Oh, this happened. So I'm gonna stop it with Control C. I forgot to disable this and also this. I disabled this because it's an input, just one input, and we're gonna call that function from here, so I disabled this. I don't want this to appear for every word, so I disabled this as well. It's thinking. Okay, this is the list we want. All these English words have the same value. For example, let's check one. Let's check this out. I'm gonna add it here. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you in the next time.